Case Study: R versus Donovan. Introduction. R versus Donovan stands as a pivotal legal case that delves into the intricacies of criminal liability in the context of communication and freedom of expression. This case, which unfolded within the British legal system, presents a compelling narrative fraught with legal complexities and ethical considerations. This essay aims to dissect the structural dimensions of R v Donovan, shedding light on its legal significance and broader implications. Background. The case of R versus Donovan emanated from a series of events that unfolded against the backdrop of evolving societal norms and legal frameworks. Central to the case was the question of whether certain forms of communication could constitute criminal behavior, particularly in the realm of indecent or obscene material. The legal landscape was shaped by statutes aimed at regulating public decency and morality, providing the foundation for the prosecution's case against the defendant, Donovan. Previous legal precedents further inform the legal terrain, setting the stage for a contentious legal battle. Fact of the case. The factual narrative of R v Donovan revolves around the defendant's dissemination of indecent material through the postal system. Donovan, a postman by profession, was accused of sending indecent and obscene advertisements through the mail, thereby violating provisions of the Post Office Act. The prosecution alleged that Donovan's actions amounted to a willful and intentional act of disseminating offensive material, thereby warranting criminal prosecution. The chronological sequence of events painted a vivid picture of the circumstances surrounding the alleged offenses, serving as the foundation for the legal proceedings that ensued. Legal issues. At the heart of R v Donovan lay a series of legal questions pertaining to the scope of criminal liability in cases involving communication and expression. The prosecution contended that Donovan's actions fell within the purview of criminal law, as they contravened statutes aimed at safeguarding public decency and morality. Conversely, the defense argued that Donovan's actions did not meet the threshold for criminal culpability, as they were protected under the principles of freedom of expression. This clash of legal perspectives underscored the intricate legal terrain traversed by the courts in adjudicating the matter. The prosecution meticulously crafted a legal argument, emphasizing the harmful and offensive nature of the material disseminated by Donovan. They marshaled evidence, including the content of the advertisements and testimonies from witnesses, to establish Donovan's culpability under the relevant statutes. In contrast, the defense mounted a spirited defense, highlighting the principles of freedom of expression and challenging the prosecution's characterization of the material in question. They argued that Donovan's actions did not pose a significant threat to public order or morality, thus warranting leniency from the courts. Court proceedings. The courtroom served as the crucible where legal adversaries clashed over the nuances of criminal liability and freedom of expression. Witness testimonies were scrutinized, legal arguments dissected, and evidence presented with precision and clarity. The adversarial nature of the proceedings underscored the stakes involved, with both sides leaving no stone unturned in their quest for justice. As the trial progressed, the courtroom ambience crackled with tension, reflecting the gravity of the legal conundrum confronting the court. Judgment. In a landmark judgment, the court delivered its verdict, navigating through the labyrinth of legal complexities to arrive at a reasoned decision. The court found Donovan guilty of the charges, emphasizing the harmful and offensive nature of the material disseminated through the postal system, while acknowledging the importance of freedom of expression. The court held that such freedoms were not absolute and must be balanced against societal interests in maintaining public decency and morality. Legal significance. The case of R versus Donovan holds profound legal significance, serving as a touchstone for future jurisprudence on criminal liability and freedom of expression. It underscores the court's role in striking a delicate balance between individual liberties and societal interests, particularly in cases involving communication and expression. Moreover, it serves as a cautionary tale, reminding individuals of the potential legal ramifications of their actions, even in the realm of seemingly innocuous communication. Conclusion. In conclusion, the case of R versus Donovan exemplifies the dynamic interplay of legal principles and societal norms within the realm of criminal law. Through a meticulous analysis of its structural dimensions, this essay has endeavored to unravel the intricacies of the case and underscore its legal significance. As the wheels of justice continue to turn, R v Donovan serves as a guiding beacon, illuminating the path towards a more just and equitable legal landscape. If you are a law student and looking for more case studies, visit our website www.mylawtutor.net.